How to fix achievements not showing on Instagram. Hey everybody, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm gonna give you a quick guide on how you can do it. So Instagram achievements is a milestone that creators achieve based on certain actions and accomplishments they have done on your Instagram. So if that feature is not showing, one of the reasons may be because you haven't updated your Instagram. So for that, what you can do is go to Play Store or your App Store and look for the update option. If the update is available, just update it and see if it fixes the problem or not. Other thing is go to your Instagram and go to your profile. So to achieve a milestone, you need to have a professional dashboard available into your profile. If that is not available, you're not even called a creator. So to create a professional account, what you can do is go to your profile and tap on this menu bar. After that, go to professionals and you can see this creator tools and controls options. Just tap on it and tap on add new professional account and go further with the process and create a professional account for yourself. After that, this professional dashboard thing will appear on your screen, which means you are a creator now. So you can go to, after your professional dashboard is available on your screen, what you need to do is just tap on it. And under there, you can see your tools. Under there, you can see achievements. Just tap on it and you can look up for the achievements that you have earned as a content creator on Instagram. So in this way, you can fix your achievements not showing on Instagram, but for some reason, it is not available on some of the countries. So you may just wait until you have that update, or you may use VPN for that. So that's it. And that way you can fix it. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope this video was helpful to you.